Love Caesar salads but don't eat dairy? I have you covered. Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we get together every week in the kitchen. We create delicious and healthy recipes together and create new food combinations that maybe you've never tried before. Today, we're going to be making a vegan Caesar salad. Let's begin by making the dressing. In a glass jar or your blender, we're going to add 2 minced up garlic cloves. Next we have 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, which may provide protection against carcinogens that lead to cancer. And this is found in the mustard seed. 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed vitamin C rich lemon juice. So this is not quite 1/2 of a lemon, but don't throw the rest of the lemon away. Just squeeze the rest of the juice into your water, and that is so good at detoxifying the liver. 1 teaspoon of capers. Now this is going to replace the anchovies that you would normally find in Caesar dressing. Capers are a green, unripe flower bud that you find on caper bushes. They may help reduce inflammation in the body and help support liver function. And if you don't have capers on hand, you can substitute them with green olives. 1½ teaspoons of red wine vinegar, which may help lower blood sugar levels. You are more than welcome to substitute this with just apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil. 2 tablespoons of either cashew, tahini, or almond butter. Now you're welcome to omit this and just increase your olive oil to about 1/3 of a cup. I'm adding it to give our dressing a creamier consistency. Last we have 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and about 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You can either use your blender or an immersion blender to blend up your dressing until creamy. If you'd like a thinner consistency for your dressing, you can add in just a little bit of filtered water or a little bit more olive oil. Just play with it until you get it just right for you. I did add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of filtered water to make it a little bit thinner. So set your dressing aside, and now we are ready for the beautiful romaine lettuce. So here's the trick to making a salad amazing. You want to chop up your lettuce into bite-sized pieces because it makes it so much easier for everyone to eat. I have either 1 large romaine bunch or 2 smaller ones chopped up in my large bowl, and now we're ready to dress it up with the dressing. Drizzle on your desired amount of dressing and then toss together to coat your lettuce evenly. Okay, now we're going to see how good this Caesar salad tastes. The flavors of the Caesar dressing are perfect. You will never miss the cheese, I promise you. And you'll notice that we added in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's because cheese is salty, and normally when you have a Caesar salad, it is a little bit salty. So I think it's really important to add in that much, but of course you can reduce it if you want to. Do you want to turn this into a full meal? Then add in your favorite protein on top. Do you want to add in a little bit of crunch? Add some chopped up nuts or some chopped up seeds. Or do you want a little bit of sweetness? You could add in some dried cranberries or dried cherries. But this salad is so good all on its own. You don't have to add in anything else. It's super quick. And I would recommend doubling or tripling that dressing recipe and sticking it in the refrigerator so that you can eat on it all week long. I really hope you give this one a try. This is so good. Thanks so much for being here with me today. Hey, make great choices this week, and I look forward to seeing you next week in the kitchen for another delicious and healthy recipe. Take care. Bye-bye.